Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to my page. This is a continuation of the video I dropped before on how to cut a kaftan. So this video now is specifically going to be explaining on how to cut the sleeve of the kaftan. Like I said before, if you haven't watched the video, make sure you watch the video. It's in the description box below on how to cut a proper kaftan. So this is the continuation part of the video, which is the sleeve part, and the sleeve we are working on is short sleeve measurement. We're making use of short sleeve. So we have short sleeve, we have 3/4 sleeve, and we have the long sleeve. So for this video is the short sleeve. Then I said the sleeve we are working on is 11 inches. That is 11 inches is the sleeve. So all what we are going to do now is we're going to measure our 11 inches and our allowance that we're going to be using on it. So let's proceed to the video. And if you remember in our kaftan video, I explained to us on how to get this part. This is the 2 layers, then you fold it again. We're having it on 4 layers as shown in the video. I already explained that in the first part of the cutting of the kaftan. Then I said 11 inches is our sleeve measurement, which is our short sleeve, 11 inches. Then we're going to add our turn up, which is the folding inches that we're going to fold our kaftan inside. So probably I use 2.5. I use 2.5 or 3 inches. So our 11 inches plus 2.5, we are going to be having 1, 2, that is 13.5, plus half inch sewing allowance, that is 14. So altogether we'll be cutting out 14 inches, or let me say 14.5. 14.5. So as you can see on the video, 14.5. Then we proceed to roll it out, then we'll cut it. So let me do that. So we're having 14.5 in total. So the video is in the description box below. Click on the video, watch and learn. So for those people that have watched the video before, we understand what we've done so far. So make sure you go and watch the video and learn how to cut a pop-up kaftan for any kind of measurement you want to work on, maybe a kid or an adult. So after that, if you remember, we said the armhole of our kaftan that we cut out was 11.2. If you watch the video, you will understand. 11.2, 11.2. That is our armhole measurement. So what we're going to do now, can you see now we've opened our kaftan into 4 layers. What we need to do is measure 11 inches. We'll be using 11 inches. As you can see in the video, 11 or 10.5. So, but let me work with 11 inches. You can work with 11 inches or 10.5 or 10.5.2. But this is 11 inches, as you can see. So what you need to do is let's cut it out. So this is it. Then we fold our allowance. If you want to cut for maybe 3/4 sleeve, you can also use this. You can also use this formula depending on how you want your length to be. 3/4 sleeve is going to determine with your length. So, but this is a short sleeve, like I said. Then make use of your iron to create that. After we've done that, remember I said our sleeve is 11 inches. Then we proceed on to this place. We measure our 11 inches plus our half inch sewing allowance, that is 11.5. Can you see? 11 inches, which is our sleeve measurement, then half inch sewing allowance, which is 11.5. All we need to do is roll it out. Then after you've gotten that, what we need to get is our bicep. Our bicep is how our armhole is going to go in, the depth is going to go in. For a regular person, I make use of 5 inch for my for the bicep, 5 inch for the bicep. But if somebody that is maybe person is fat, or I make use of 5.5 or 5.5.2, making it deep so that the person can be able to release or free his or her hand. So for this, for a regular person, I make use of 5 inches. For young kids, for young children, I make use of 4, 3.5. So that is it. Then after that one, we get our round sleeve. The round sleeve we are making use of here is 14 inches. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then we add our 1 inch sewing allowance, making it 8. So this is that. Then from to get our slant or our shape, I, I do come here like this. I mentioned 2.5 from this part. Then after I take my 2.5 like this, the next thing I do is I make sure I start my shape from this part in here. So how do we do that? It's as if you want to write S using free hand, as if you want to write the letter X. So you come down like this. Can you see? Can you see? See if you want to write the letter X. This is how I do mine. Then after you've gotten down, all we need to do is our 11.2, which is our armhole measurement. You have to come here and measure it out. 11.2. Can you see where my tape is? 11.2, like this. You take it, then you use it, you tint it and follow the what we rule out. Let me take it again. 11.2 like this, from the midpoint, which is the gator line. 11.2. Then you can you see what I did? So this is that. Then you connect the line from here to this place. You can use your tape or you use your free hand to connect the line to this part. Now what you need to do is cut it out. So like this. So can you see the shape of our sleeve giving us? Can you see? So we're gonna fold this part like this. Then we'll take it in like this. So can you see how the shape is really given? Can you see? So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I bring the simplest and easiest method of how to cut, how to sew, how to make styles and designs on patch pockets, on placket. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and do well to watch the previous video so you understand all what I did here on how to cut a kaftan. So see you in my next video, and bye for now.